Okay, guys, so Jaguar says they are in the midst of packing. Now, today's the 31st. I thought they were supposed to be out by the 31st.
For Sabbath dinner. Hold on, Sam. We in the middle of packing. Sam, what's going on? What just happened?
Someone thought it.
Not someone. Say who it is.
Turn off the power.
For Sabbath dinner. Hold on, Sam. We in the middle of packing. Sam, what's going on? What just happened?
Someone thought it.
Not someone. Say who it is.
Turn off the power.
Who? Say it.
Girl,
Thank you.
you turn it back on.
You know my mother's an elderly woman.
That's right.
Do you know what you're doing right now is elder abuse? That's another crime, honey. You just want to be a full-on professional criminal.
I pay half of this. I pay half of this.
My-
I pay half of this. I pay half of this.
Mom, stop. Bye. You a mess, Gerald. Now that kill file is really going up, and you still owe me another $75 because the bill was only $5.69. So I just rounded it off and sent you the cash app for $75. Okay, babe? All right, get to that. Bye. Bye, you fool.
For Sabbath dinner.
Hold on, Sam. We in the middle.
So, guys, I think Jaguar tripped herself up right there because she was asking Sam who turned the power off, and he said someone turned it off. And she said, say the person's name. And Sam says, Gerald. Well, of course, I'm sure she convinced everybody in the house that it was Gerald who did it. Now, Gerald is gone. And if the power is turned off, that means somebody didn't pay the bill. And since Gerald don't live there anymore, obviously it's not his responsibility to pay the electric bill. And then her mother said, I pay half of this. The mother pays half the rent. If mama is paying half the rent and Gerald's check was going to Jaguar, what was Jaguar paying? Because that apartment was no more than $2,000, if that much. So if Gerald is receiving $1,800, and let's say the rent is about $2,000, if Mama is putting $1,000, that means that's $2,000 plus right there, right? Now, what was Jaguar contributing to? Her Cash App? How much money is she getting from that? Because she's not singing anywhere to bring money in. But if she is getting a check also, why didn't she take her check and pay the bill? I think maybe because she was locked up in a jail and couldn't move on time. That would explain things. She was supposed to be out of there before the 31st, but she got locked up. So the electricity is off. Jaguar's responsibility was to keep that power on. How long has Goomba been gone? For almost a month now? So how can she now blame it on Goomba? Jaguar, get your SHIT together. It's not a good look, Mama. You're looking crazy and crazier on these YouTube streets. You want to tell me your mother's elderly? My God. You got a child who's supposed to be autistic. You got Legina Gold there who is mentally challenged. And you can't keep the electric bill paid? Come on now. The electric bill is not half as much as the rent. That's like the cheapest bill in the house. So at least that you can pay. You want to tell me you allow that bill to lapse and not pay it? Now, for that electric bill to be off, I happen to know that the electric company give you a little grace period and you can work it out with them. She must not have paid last month's bill and the month before that, because when you skip paying your bill, they allow you a little time to get caught up. You can even make arrangements with them to get all caught up. And I know if you don't pay your bill, let's say the month of March, the month of April, you call the representative down there and you say, listen, I can't afford to pay the bill, but I can pay in small amounts. And then you work something out with them. I mean, you couldn't even do that. you know what? The authorities should come in and remove her mother to a safer environment because she don't need this type of confusion in her golden years. You need to be paddled. You need a spanking. You need to be horse whipped. But then again, you might like that because you did say that you were a dominatrix and you like choking and all those things. So you might like all that whipping. So scratch that. You need to be dragged by horses, okay? With some splinters on the ground. You need to be dragged by horses. See how you like that. I don't think you're going to like that.
For Sabbath dinner.
Hold on, Sam. We in the middle of packing. Sam?
Someone thought it.
Not someone. Say who it is. What's going on? What just happened?
Turn off the pop. For Sabbath dinner.
Hold on, Sam. We in the middle of packing. Sam? What's going on? What just happened?
Someone thought it.
Not someone. Say who it is.
Turn off the power.
Who?
Girl,
Thank you.
you need to turn it back on.
Say it. You know my mother's an elderly woman.
That's right.
Do you know what you're doing right now is elder abuse? That's another crime, honey. You just want to be a full-on professional criminal.
I pay half of this. I pay half of this. I pay half of this.
Mom, stop. Bye. You a mess, Gerald. Now that kill file is really going up, and you still owe me another $75 because the bill was only $5.69. So I just rounded it off and sent you the cash app for $75. Okay, babe? All right, get to that. Bye. My, you fool.
For Sabbath dinner.
Hold on, Sam. We in the middle.
Yeah, but she got caught because when the mama said, I'll pay half of this, she said, stop, mom, stop. Okay, guys, bye. She wanted to sign off almost immediately because the mother let the cat out the bag that the mama is paying half the bill, half the rent. So YouTubers, Jaguar got caught. We now know that the mama is paying half the rent. So what is Jaguar paying? I guess now she needs Legina Gold to help her to meet the other half of that rent. And with Sam's check coming in, I'm sure they're going to meet the rent. Anyway, guys, drop your comments. Do you think Jaguar should have let that electric bill go? I guess she figured they're moving on the 31st, and they should have been out by now. So she did not take that into factor that if she was late moving out, the electricity would be cut off because she said they were, behind in the moving. So I guess it would have been right on time if she had moved out a day before and the electricity came off today. It would have been fine. But she was late moving out, and I believe she forgot that she probably told them down there, the electric company, to cut off the electricity on the 31st because she's going to be out. Now they are moving without any type of electricity in the house. I hope they hurry up and move before it gets dark because they won't be able to see to even pack anything. Anyway, YouTubers, drop your comments. Do you think Jaguar is moving right with her family? She got an elderly mother there. She got an autistic child. She got Legina Gold there who is mentally handicapped. And so Jaguar is really not taking these people into consideration at all. Now, they're going to be moving probably tomorrow. But as far as seeing to pack stuff tonight, they don't have electricity to see nothing. So they're going to have to light candles, use the flashlights, the flares, whatever they got to use to get some lighting. It's crazy. Jaguar just love drama, and this is just another, I believe, way of getting her clicks and views, even at the detriment of her own family. Instead of her going down there at the mayor's office and having to be locked up. If she wasn't locked up, she would have been on time with the moving. But because she was locked up, and as soon as she came out, she was on the page, YouTube page, putting out videos instead of packing. I guess she was leaving the packing up to everybody else but her. But now they're behind in the packing. So YouTubers, drop your comments. It's crazy, folks. You cannot make this stuff up. Every day, every minute is a new scenario with Jaguar Right. I'm over and out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and to this video. Thank you for watching.